Asking us to solve an inequality, and I think you guys know that we're just going to go ahead and solve it using an equation anyway, and then we're going to think about the actual final solution. So we're going to try and solve again. Menu, algebra, numerical solve, and N-solve we are going to type in n to n minus 1 equals to 1000, comma n. And it says invalid implied multiply. Okay, so it's telling you that you haven't put the multiplication sign between the n and n minus 1. The function is missing one or more arguments, so let's have a little look. N-solve n times n minus 1 equals 1000, and oh, looks like I put a decimal point instead of a comma there. So lots of ways you can make a mistake. And look what it's given us. It's given us n equals negative 31.13. Okay. But if this was a question about sequences, then we want n positive. So we can use N-solve again. We need to change the search area, and let's search from negative 31, comma up to 10,000. And look, it's given us the positive solution now. So n equals 32.13. Now I'm actually going to draw just a little graph of this. What it's saying is we've got this equation n into n minus 1, that's a quadratic, so it's going to be concave up. It's going to be a curve that has something like this, and we're trying to find out where it hits 1000. So here's the y-axis, here's the x-axis, here's n into n minus 1, and we want to know for which values of n is n into n minus 1 greater than 1000. Well, this value here, this is 32.13. And you can see the quadratic is higher than the 1000 for anything greater than 32.13. So our solution here is n is greater than 32.13. We've also got this here that n is less than negative 31.13. Now, if this was a sequences series question, we'd concentrate on this positive value, and we need an integer, so n is equal to 33. We need the next value up. Okay, so N-solve can do that for you, but let's switch to a graphical approach again. So doc, insert graph, and we'll type in the left-hand side again, x into x minus 1. Notice that the on the graph entry it doesn't need a multiplication. Oh, I spoke too soon. I didn't think it needed multiplication, but clearly it does. There we go. And then also double tap. We need 1000. Now, of course, we can't see it because it's way too high. So you might want to adjust the axes. I'm just going to go menu, Windows Zoom, Windows Settings. And I'm going to go negative 50 to positive 50, and the y-axis I need to get up to 1000. So I'll just go to 1100. Okay, I can see the intersection points. I'm going to search on the positive one first. Menu, analyze graph, intersection, before, after, and look, we've got the same result. And because I took time to draw a graph before, you can understand what that 32.12 means and how we then weave it into the final answer.